Hi guys, welcome back to a new nail art tutorial, and today I'm going to make this beautiful pink and butterfly gel polish nail art on my dominant hand. So that means I am working with my non-dominant hand, so it does take me a little longer than usual, but bear with me, we're all learning here at my YouTube channel. So if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So first of all, I already prepped the nails and removed my previous design, which was the Halloween design. And I'm going to apply a little bit of primer to all of the nails. And I always apply that on top of the entire nail because that really prevents lifting and just makes sure that my manicure lasts a long time. And after that is dried, it takes about 15 seconds. You want to apply a thin layer of the xtend base to all of the nails, and I'm just applying a thin layer because this is a little bit of like a more thicker or a more thick consistency, so I'm just applying that to all of the nails and making sure to cap off the edge of the nail as well. And then I'm curing that for a full minute in my LED light. For this week's or like 2 weeks design, I really wanted to add this beautiful hot pink color, which is called cocktail pink. All of the gel polishes I will be using in this video are by the brand femketjeNL, which is one of my favorite gel polish brands. So if you want to have like any information about it, just let me know in the comments down below and I will get you some links. You can check the brand out for yourself. But I am going to apply my first thin layer to the thumb and curing that for a full minute before I'm going in with my second layer. Personally, I prefer just applying thin layers, so it does take me a little bit longer because I am using thin layers and have to cure it like double the amount of time that you would usually do for just one layer. But I think that thin layers give the most beautiful effect and make sure you don't have too much product on the nails. So after your two first pink layers are fully cured, I'm going in with a beautiful shimmery color from femketjeNL as well. Again, a really thin layer because it is pretty opaque though, because even though it is a shimmery color, it has a ton of pigment and shimmer in it, so a little bit goes a very long way. And you want to cure that for a full minute before you go in with your shiny top coat and cure that for a full minute as well. And of course, I'm always capping off the end or like the tip of my nail. And while that's curing, I just wanted to show you what's on my other hand. I already made a nail polish of the week video about that color, so if you want to know which one that is, do check out my previous videos from earlier this week. Then for the pointer finger, I'm going to do exactly the same thing as I did for the thumb. So we're going in with 2 layers of that cocktail pink color. Oh, this color, I don't know, I am such a girly girl when it comes to pinks. I love pink so much, and this is just a perfect Barbie kind of pink color, in my opinion at least. So you just want to make sure you don't have any gel polish on the cuticle or on the skin around the nails before you cure it. You just want to make sure you get rid of any of that excess, because once you go into the light and you have some gel polish onto the skin, that burns and hurts and you just don't want that. But just look at that lovely color, people. I love this shade so much. And then again, I am going in with that shimmery, I think this one was called Mermaid Pink or something like that. I don't even know what the name of this one was by memory, but it is a really beautiful shimmery one. It has a little bit of like gold shimmer in there as well, but I just feel like it was perfect for this really girly, feminine, like delicate design. And then after you've cured all of your layers for a full minute, go in with your shiny top coat. Of course, you can always use a matte top coat or anything like that. I just prefer my nails to be shiny, as you guys know by now. I just love my glittery and shiny stuff, so yeah. But I just love the shimmer in combination with this pink color. Then for the middle finger and the ring finger, I'm going to apply 2 layers of soft white. and this one really needs to be built up a little bit more. So I'm applying a little bit more product per layer than I did for the pink, because the pink is a little bit more opaque than this soft white color. But you just want to apply that to the middle finger first for your first layer, and cap off the edges as well, removing all of the excess gel polish which has gotten on the skin. So after that is cured for a full minute, you just want to go in with your second layer and curing that for a full minute as well. And I don't know what it is, but pinks and whites, I just really love that combination. I did get some really pretty butterfly water decals, which I got from AliExpress. I might be able to still find the direct link, so if you want me to look it up for you, do let me know in the comments down below. But as usual, you just want to put that in some water. I just use regular tap water, not a specific like temperature or anything like that. I think it works on cold, but with hot water as well. You just want to peel off that transparent foil or like that little film first, because if you don't, you won't be able to use your water decal. So once you've put that in the water for about 20 or 25 seconds, you can peel off the butterfly and just apply that to the nail wherever you want it. Make sure that you do place it on the spot you want it, like perfectly for your first application, because once it is on that tacky layer of that gel polish, I find it kind of hard to move it around on the nail. So just make sure that you place it right away. And I'm going to apply 2 little butterflies to the middle finger and pressing that down just really gently with my finger. You could use something like a Q-tip or something like that, and yeah, just press it down. Make sure there's no water underneath that decal anymore. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of that shimmery gel polish just in between the butterflies to tie in this design completely. I just wanted every nail to have just a little bit of sparkle at least. And once you've cured that for a full minute, you just want to go in with your shiny top coat. Again, a matte top coat is perfectly fine as well if you're more into the matte designs. But as I said, I like my things shiny. So yeah, just wait a full minute again before that's fully cured, and oh man, I think it is so pretty. I really want to use the other butterflies from this water decal sheet as well, because there were some really like lime green colored ones on there too, and I think that will be just beautiful to use in springtime. But yeah, let's go on with this tutorial. I already applied 2 layers of that soft white gel and cured every layer in between for a full minute, and I'm just going to grab 2 other butterflies. I did pick 4 different ones, like totally different butterfly ones on purpose, because I wanted it to have just a little bit more like diversity, if you know what I mean. I didn't want 4 exactly the same butterflies on there, or make it like perfect sets, you know. But I really love this one though, and I'm going to apply it a little bit more like opposite compared to the middle finger one. Of course, you can place them wherever you want to. If you have shorter nails, you can just go for like 1 butterfly on a nail, but I have quite some length. These are my natural nails, by the way, apart from the tip on my pinky, because I've said this before in previous videos. I unfortunately broke the tip off of my pinky nail, so my natural nail got broken off, and I didn't want to shorten all of the other nails, so I just applied a false tip to my pinky. If you want to know how I do that, I already made a video where I applied a false tip to my pointer finger just I think a couple of months ago or something, and that was my first time trying it out. So if you want to know how I did that, just check out that video as well. But then I already applied the 4th butterfly while talking to you about loads of other stuff. So I'm going in with a little bit of that sparkly gel polish again, really just getting rid of most of the polish off of the brush, because I didn't want an overload of shimmer or color, but just a slightly little bit of pink with some beautiful shimmer in there, and cure that for a full minute. And after that, just apply your shiny top coat again. So yeah, I just wanted to take a little moment in this video to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and just giving me suggestions on what kind of videos to make or designs to make, and just like tuning in on my premiering videos as well. I think that's loads of fun. I love talking to you guys and getting to know you as well. So I really want to thank you all so much. Also for me hitting the almost 3,000 subscribers now. I'm about 90 subscribers away from my 3K subs. So, or at least now I'm recording this, it's a couple of days before I'm going to upload this video. So I hope I will have hit the 3K subscribers once this video has uploaded, but you never know. For the pinky nail, I'm just going to apply that same pink I did to the pointer finger and the thumb as well. Just apply 2 layers of that cocktail pink and going in with 1 thin layer of that shimmery polish. And after you have cured every layer for a full minute, you just want to go in with your shiny top coat again and just cure that for a full minute as well. And yeah, that was already the entire design. I think it looks really lovely. I'm actually still wearing this. It's been almost 2 weeks I've had this on my nails, and I just love it so much. I think it looks really pretty, really girly. You could also switch it up by just doing butterflies on all of the nails, or on 3 nails out of 5 or something like that. But yeah, I just really love that shimmer and that pink, and it's just screaming my name, you know. I didn't even add any additional bling, but I think these are like blinged out enough as it is, and it's pretty wearable this way as well. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in a next video.